Hello everyone, this is Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart. On daily basis in 1 minute time frame, we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Today in Bank Nifty Tuesday market after 12 pm, we have received this buy call. So green color candle open. Buy at 39,632, that straight white line from green color candle, that is our entry point line. Above our first target, second target line, 100 point first target, 200 point second target. Below red color line is the stop loss line. On daily basis in live market, you will receive calls like this. In live market, automatically it will generate the call according to the market movement. If market goes in upper side, you will receive buy call. If market going on downside, a down breakout happen, you will receive sell call. When call come, you will receive the call as a signal, like green signal, red signal. Okay. In two trends market, there are two trends in the market, buy trend, sell trend. So whenever your upper side breakout buy call generated means you will receive calls like this in live market. After 30 minutes of buy call generated, market breakout the 39,700 range. During this breakout, market started to move in bullish direction. So market easily achieved the first target range of 39,731. In next 6 minutes, market again breakout the second target range of 39,830 and 200 point movement has been given during this time. So like this today, buy call generated and breakout all the targets. To subscribe for this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.